Taco Cat is here to tell us the multiplication number of the day. Taco Cat, what is the multiplication number of the day? It's 9. Thanks, Taco Cat. So I have here a big array of rows of 9 because arrays can help us learn about multiplication. I'm going to write how many are in each array as we count up. What I want you to pay attention to is patterns with the numbers. See if you notice something that's happening with the product of each row. So now that we have our array written down, we can see these as multiplication sentences. 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9, 18. 3 times 9, 27, and so on. Let's take a look at the numbers that are the products, the answers to our multiplication problems. Do you see any patterns in the numbers? Take a minute to think before you answer. Pay special attention to the tens and ones. What do you notice that's happening? Welcome back. Now I'm going to show you the patterns that I noticed and some things that will help you multiply nines in a faster way. If you look at our ones place, this one here, the numbers go down each time. It starts with a 9 and then goes 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's happening with the numbers in the tens place? They're going up. So that's a pretty cool pattern. Here's another cool pattern. So here's the first trick. This is a multiplication fact where one of the factors is 9. But to help us do this in a shortcut way, I want to look at the factor that's not 9. So in this multiplication sentence, it's 9 times 6. 6 is the factor that's not 9. Now here's the cool trick. First, I'm going to take this factor and I'm going to think of a number that is the number that is 1 less than that. 1 less than 6 is 5. Now, I already know that these two numbers have to add up to 9. So I'm going to start from 5 and count up to 9 and see how many steps it takes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It took me 4 steps, so I'm going to put a 4 in the ones place. That is my product. Don't believe me? Let's try it again. So I'm going to be solving 9 times 3. I put this here so we can check our answer. So here is our multiplication problem. I'm going to look at the factor that's not 9. The factor that's not 9 is 3. I think to myself, what number is 1 less than 3? The number that's 1 less than 3 is 2. So I'm going to put a 2 in the tens place. I know these two digits have to add up to 9. So 2 plus what would equal 9? I'm going to start from 2 and count up to 9. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That took me 7 steps. So I'm going to write a 7 in the ones place. 9 times 3 is 27. I take away 1 from the factor that's not 9, put it in the tens place, and see what would make sense for the other one. This will work with any one-digit number that you're multiplying by 9. It's a pretty cool trick. Taco Cat knows an even cooler trick, but I need your fingers to help me. Taco Cat is right. I need to show you the best trick for nines. So I'm going to be solving 3 times 9, which we already know equals 27. It's there so I can show you how the trick works. What I'm going to do is, once again, I'm going to focus on the factor that's not 9, which in this case is 3. I'm going to put my fingers out, and I'm going to count the third finger and tuck it under. 1, 2, 3. Tuck. Now I can actually read my fingers to see the answer. I have 2 fingers on this side, which is like 20, and I have 3 fingers on this side, which is like 7. So the answer is 27. I'm going to do that again. I tuck the third finger because I'm looking at a factor of 3. 1, 2, 3. Tuck it under. And then I can read my fingers like tens and ones. 27. 3 times 9 is 27. Want to see it again? That's good. Here it comes. We're going to look at the factor that's not 9. The factor that's not 9 is 7. I'm going to get my fingers out and count in my 7th finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I tuck that one in. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 60. 1, 2, 3, 3. I just read them from left to right. 63. 9 times 7 is 63.